How to publish WIX website for free. So right here, after you log into your WIX dashboard, you want to click on edit site right here to edit the site that you want to publish. And after that, after you come to this website editor, you just want to click on this publish button. And there you go. From now, your website is already published. To visit it, you can just click on this visit site. And there you go, your website was already published. And then some quick tips from me to change your domain name for free. You don't want to connect a custom domain and pay for it. You can just click right here on the account at the top right of your screen. And then click on account settings. And right here on account settings, on site URL prefix, you just want to click it. And right here, you can change your web address preview by change this one, but you cannot change on the wixsite.com/mysite. You can only change this one, but it was worth it. And to do it, you can just choose on this site URL prefix. For example, I want to make it. And there you go. Right now, your website was named like this. And just click on save and you are good to go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.